Hey beauties! So today we're getting right into it and starting off with the Shimmer Splurge in Elegant, which is a beautiful nude slash shimmery, like a little bit of gold on the inner portion of my moving eye. And again, using my fingers, I feel like these splurges are really easy to apply, and you can just use your fingers if you want. And then I'm going in with Tenacious, which is kind of like a bronzy gold, and I'm putting that along the outer edge and into and above the crease and just sort of buffing it in and giving it an overall shimmery gold look with a bit of brown to it. Okay, so I'm continuing to add the Tenacious into the crease and above, as well as the outer edge of my eyelid, and then also putting it along the lower lash line and smudging it in. So it's actually like a really pretty natural but shimmery sort of brown and gold eye look. And then just continuing to smudge and blend. Now I'm going to go in with our pop of green. This is the eyeliner pencil in Prosperous, and I'm doing my usual just lash line, a little bit thicker on the outer edge, and then I'm also doing the lower lash line as well, and then smudging and reapplying and smudging until I get like the desired effect. Okay, so then I'm applying it again and then thickening up that outer portion of my upper lash line. Now I'm going to go in with my eyelash curlers. I wasn't sure if I was going to do false lashes with this look, but either way, eyelash curlers are helpful and really make the lashes look better and thicker and just more obvious. So I'm doing 2 coats of mascara on my upper lash line, and then I usually do 1 on my lower lash line as long as I have like a darker color or a smokier eye look down there, just in case I smudge, because I typically do. Okay, so then just trying to gently go in on the lower lashes with a light coat of mascara just to give a little bit of definition down there with those 3 lashes. Okay, and then I'm going in with the Sunset Bronzer to just deepen it up, particularly around my hairline. It gives a little bit of definition, sort of like the contour aspect of it, and just giving some color to my cheeks as well, and then I'm doing it to my jawline and down my neck. This does have a teensy bit of shimmer to it, but it still completely works as a contour. And then I've been using the blusher in Sophisticated lately. All of our blushes are matte, so it's got a little bit of bronze to it and a little bit of peach. So I feel like this is a nice natural way to give some color to the cheeks and take away a bit from my paleness. So now I'm going to go in with the highlight. Now I'm going in with the Benevolent Powder Luminizer and putting that in the usual spots, which would be the top of the cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, and my Cupid's bow. And this has probably been my favorite color recently. I like iridescent, but it's really light and cool toned, so I feel like this one's a little bit more natural looking. Okay, so I'm going to do a weird lip combination. In case you're wondering. So I'm going to use Posh Lipliner, which is kind of like a, I guess it's like a bright pinkish purple, and I'm lining and filling in my lips with that color, and I think it's really pretty and it's very bright, but I did also kind of want to tone it down a bit, so I do like this color, but it is quite bright. And you do have to take a little bit more time when you are using a brighter color on your lips as far as the precision aspect of it. So now I'm going to use that nude shimmery well-to-do lipstick just to kind of tone it down a little bit, but keep some of that pinkish purple color, which I still like, and I think it's really pretty. And I like to blend these a lot with my finger just to get like an even mix of the color all over. And that is the finished look, guys, so thank you so much for watching.